Morning all, how's it going? This is Monday. The other lads there way on to catch a ferry. Oh, wrong side of the road, oh my goodness. That's a good start to the day. Oh. Right, okay, reset. The other lads are way on to catch a ferry. I think they're catching it for tomorrow. It's the second part of the week. I'm going to be heading solo. So today's plan is to make it as far as across the German border, up near Basel. So across the border, somewhere around Basel. I've got a campsite plumbed in here in the sat nav, and we'll just see where it takes me. Stop a few times along the way, and it'll bring me along. So I'll see you later on. Bye bye.
Just going to nip in here and explain this scene. Whilst it doesn't look too bad on camera, you can still see the conditions are quite tough, but inside my helmet it was like riding through soup. It was about 10 or 12 degrees. It was, as you can see, quite foggy. The road was wet, knobbies. Just wasn't sure how road conditions would go with the knobbies in the front, so I was taking it a wee bit gingerly. So yeah, that was a bit sketchy going around these few tight bends.
Right, made it to the campsite. Oh, like the wrinkly hands. Soaking wet. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to stop here. It looks very nice actually, but I think I'm going to press on because what time is it? 10:39. Progressed quite well. Oh, they're wrinkly. So I'm going to press on and see how far I can get. I think it's the B500, the road through Germany that I'm wanting to do. So I think I'll press on more north, see where it takes me from there. See if we can find a coffee shop first, because I'm hanging for a coffee. See where it goes from that. So I'll check out the map here now. Starbucks. Oh, one dirty breakfast coming up. So that's the dirty breakfast done. Just normally eating McDonald's, but I just fancied getting coffee and a burger, just something to fill me up for the rest of the day. So anyway, while I was in there, I was originally, as I showed you earlier, I was going to stop at that campsite, but I've changed my mind now. So early in the day, it's only 10 to 12, I'm going to make it up to the start of the B500, which is supposed to be an amazing road through the Black Forest. So I found a campsite just at the very, very beginning of that. The only thing is, I was looking at the map and there looks to be roadworks or something at this very start for quite a few miles, so I'm not sure whether that's just a one-way system thing or whether that section's completely shut down. But I'm going to go up to the campsite and then I can ask questions, so that's the plan now. The campsite's only 53 kilometers away, just over an hour. Plenty of time to, take my time and enjoy the view, and see you probably at the campsite when I get there. If not beforehand, I'll see something nice or stop off somewhere with some nice view. But anyway, that's me now heading to the campsite. See you later. Okay, I'm now here at the campsite area, so I've just fueled up here, saved me the bother tomorrow morning, and going to look for an Aldi now. Just plumbed it in, it's 8 kilometers away, so I'm going to get some provisions for this evening so I don't have to move off the campsite once I get set up. So, see you later.